Hi, this is Nancy at Notions, and we had another vendor from the UK come in and talk to us today. This is Debbie Moore, and of course she has that fabulous accent. Debbie, could you tell us just a little bit about your company?
My company is called Debbie Moore Designs. We're based in the north of England in a place called Darlington. We've been there about 8 years, and it's all about inspiration. And I adore crafting, but most of all, I love sharing ideas.
Yeah, and I love that in her company, she said she's got 16 people that are employed, 2 of them being herself and her husband. He's the IT geek and she's the creative side of it.
That is correct.
There's so much we want to show you, but today we want to focus on book folding.
Oh my goodness, book folding is something that once you start, you'll get hooked and you will never look back.
It's so funny because I so totally remember doing this with a TV guide and making a Christmas tree when I was a kid. You just do those 2 folds. So to show you how easy it is, Debbie just gave us, a 2-minute instructions. I'm gonna do it right now. I've never done this before. So I'm gonna continue this book. This is Joy. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Here is the book that has all the instructions in it. You flip it open to the word Joy. It tells you that you need a book with at least 386 pages. As of right now, we are on step number 80, which is right down here. I'm going to hold the book with the spine toward me. See, I can be taught.
Good.
All right. I'm going to take the ruler that has centimeters on it, which is something I learned about today, a whole nother story for a whole nother day. On number 80, it tells me I need to make a mark at 6.8 and 13.2. 6.8, 13.2. You guys are going to love this. Take the ruler, fold it flat. Okay, I feel like a pro here. Foldy, foldy. Take the ruler, fold it flat. Foldy, foldy. Take my bone folder.
Well done.
And done. I'd be on to my next one.
How easy is that?
So there are 3 different types.
That's correct.
All right.
3 different types of book folding. What you've just done is called the classic or the basic book folding, where you have 2 marks and you fold.
Okay.
Then what we have a giraffe sample here. That's called cut and fold. And although it looks a little bit more intricate and harder, it isn't. It's actually just 1 extra step.
All right, I want to open this book so you can see what she's talking about here. This is so cool. The idea is you just make more marks and you cut it and accordion fold it. And you know what I really loved about this? Is that you're not cutting into the words, because that concerned me.
No, that's correct. With the cut and fold, you can continue to read the book as well. And that's the beauty about the cut and fold. You can put a message in or an image and give it as a gift to somebody, and they can read it and put it on their sideboard as a masterpiece.
All right, and the third one, the dimensional, is really the Christmas trees I used to do.
Exactly. So with the dimensional one, that is done on soft paperback books, and you've got things like wedding cakes, birthday cakes, you've also got bird houses, cute hedgehogs.
And you fold them and then spin it all the way around so it makes a complete circle.
That's
so
correct.
Debbie Moore Designs, book folding. There's videos on our media page on the website. So contact your sales rep if you have any questions, and I would love to see some finished projects.